Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. The video today is on how to make artisan rolls. There's a link to the original recipe below that I tweaked a bit to make these rolls. It is just nice sometimes to watch the process being done. This is a perfect recipe for those who've never made bread. It's easy and it's cheap and it tastes great. I usually start this bread after dinner. If you work, start it on a Friday or Saturday night. To begin, put 3 cups of flour in a bowl. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of yeast and 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Mix it together, then add 1 1/2 cups of water, and I also pour a little olive oil in it as well. Mix this together. If the dough's a little wet, don't worry about it. If the dough is too dry, add a little more water so there are no dry parts, but all of the flour is mixed in well. Grease a piece of plastic and put it over the bowl with the dough. Let it sit overnight, anywhere between 8 to 12 hours. It will start to bubble and expand. The next morning, add a little bit of flour to the dough until it's no longer sticky. Divide the dough into 9 equal parts. I usually divide it into 3 parts first, and then divide each third into 3 parts. Grease an 8x8 or 9x9 casserole dish and put the dough balls into the pan. Sometimes I brush the tops with oil, but not always. Cover it with the same plastic you used to cover the dish overnight. Let it rise for an hour to an hour and a half. If you're impatient, 30 minutes should be okay, but it's best to wait a little longer if you can. Preheat the oven to 435. When the oven is ready, take the plastic cover off. Grease a piece of foil and place it loosely over the rolls. I usually use butter since it's really easy to take a stick and just rub it over the foil. Bake them for 12 to 14 minutes at 435 degrees. Then take the foil off and bake an additional 12 to 14 minutes in the oven without the foil on top. Oven times may be different, but when they turn a light golden brown, they're ready. These aren't traditional holiday rolls, but you could use these artisan rolls for the holidays if you want. They definitely taste good enough. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.